Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 2 points P and Q, and we are given the distance, which also is another word for length. So I repeat, distance is the same thing as length. Okay, and therefore we are able to make use of this formula to help us in our solving of this problem now. Alright, since we are given the length 5 units, we are also given the 2 points. So again, I'm going to write it down, the 2 points at the side. This will help us later, or help Mr. Tan here to be really clear that I just need to get point P to be x1, y1, Q to be x2, y2. So therefore, when I apply the formula, I will be very clear. Okay, so PQ, then given the length, I know PQ equals to 5, right? But PQ at the same time is also equals to the, if I apply the formula to find length PQ, it will be 1 minus -3 bracket square my x1 minus my x2 minus x1 plus my y2 minus y1, in this case is k minus 2 bracket square, and this happens to be 5. Alright, so the next step would then be for me to continue to simplify it. This is 1 minus -3. This will be 4 square plus k minus 2 is still k minus 2 bracket square. The square root equals to 5. And now, to make sure that I do not have the square root, I'm going to square both sides, meaning the next step you will see would be, first of all, 4 square is 16. K minus 2 bracket square, I'm not going to expand first. And because I do not want the square root, the next step you will see is that I square both sides. So I will have a 5 square here. Okay. And after which, then I will be able to continue to solve for this fairly quickly. So 16 plus k minus 2 bracket square is equals to 5 square is 25. So I'm going to minus 16 on both sides, such that there's no more 16 on my left hand side of this equation. (25 minus 16 is 9). And so, take note of my next step. My next step would be interesting, because if I do not want the square, I will have to do something like this. I will have to square root both sides. When I do that, then my k minus 2 therefore will be equals to either a positive square root 9 or a negative square root 9. And square root 9 is 3. So final answer, I will have 3 plus 2 here, because I add 2 on both sides. This will be 5. Or my k minus 2 is equals to -3. k will be therefore equals to 3, negative 3 plus 2 when I add 2 on both sides. K equals to negative 1. So these are the two possible answers for K. Notice how Mr. Tan approached this question. Mr. Tan first check to see what information do we have, and Mr. Tan saw that they give us the distance, which is the length, and the coordinates of the 2 points with one of the coordinate a variable or unknown that we are supposed to find. So Mr. Tan applied the formula for the length of a line segment and just solve this particular equation that was formed after I applied the formula. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.